In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests on ChatGPT. This problem is faced by many people due to ChatGPT is being used by a lot of people all around the world and it has reached its capacity. Now there are a couple of things that you can do in order to fix this problem. The first thing that you can do is you can come over to this ChatGPT and you can simply click on log out and log out of your ChatGPT. After you do that, you can again click on try ChatGPT and log into your account. Try if this fixes the problem. If it still does not, you can try refreshing your page a couple of times like this, and you can do it 4 to 5 times and see if this fixes. If it still does not, you can now click on the 3 dots on the top right and head over to history. Click on history again. Now what you need to do is you need to clear your browsing data. Click on clear browsing data on the left, and under basic, make sure that your cookies and other site data is selected. Also select cached image and files. You can uncheck the browsing history and make sure that your time range is at least of the last 24 hours, or it could be even higher, but make sure that is selected to at least 24 hours. After that is done, you can now click on clear data. After you do a couple of these steps, you should be able to work ChatGPT without any problem. So I hope this helped to fix your problem. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.